In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable the full screen mode in the Chrome web browser. First, go ahead and open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is visible on your screen and that you can clearly see the top right corner of the window, because that's where the standard window controls are located. At the top of the browser, you'll usually see the Minimize button, the Restore or Maximize button, and the Close button. If Chrome is not already taking up the full available space on your desktop, click the Maximize button. This will enlarge the browser window so it fills your screen as a normal maximized window. This is helpful because some people confuse a maximized window with true full screen mode, but they are slightly different. When the browser is maximized, you can still see things like the tabs, the address bar, and the taskbar or dock on your computer. That's useful for everyday browsing, but if you want a cleaner and more immersive view, especially when reading, watching videos, or presenting something on screen, you can switch to full screen mode. To do that, press the F11 key on your keyboard. As soon as you press it, Chrome will enter full screen mode. In this view, the browser takes over the display and hides most of the interface elements, giving you more room for the web page itself. This can make content easier to focus on and reduce distractions. If you ever want to exit full screen mode, simply press the F11 key again. That key works as a toggle, which means it turns full screen on and off. So if you accidentally enter full screen, don't worry, just press F11 one more time and Chrome will return to its previous view. One quick tip. If your keyboard requires function shortcuts, you may need to hold the FN key while pressing F11, depending on your device. If pressing F11 alone doesn't seem to work, that is usually the reason. And that's all there is to it. Open Chrome, use the Maximize button at the top if needed, and press F11 to switch into or out of full screen mode. It's a simple feature, but it can make browsing much more comfortable depending on what you're doing.